Defibrillator. The Defibrillator is a PC software that supports the reception of data sent via infrared. Reading and setting ECG waves, setting Defi5S language and voice volume, reading, analyzing and saving data. Long press of the on/off button turns on the infrared sensor. After selecting the language of Defibrillator, enter the serial number of the device and long press the on/off button to activate the data system of Defibrillator. Defibrillator will display the status information recorded during the operation of the Defi5S, including type, event time, description, and ECG waves. ECG waveform gain can be set to 5 mm per millivolt, 10 mm per millivolt, or 20 mm per millivolt. The speed of the waveform can be set to 12.5 mm per second, 25 mm per second, and 50 mm per second. You can also print and save the data.